For the next 6 minutes, I will be looking at my website, the audio and visual production blog that I've created, and I will be attempting to reflect on the work that I have completed for this module so far. So for my website, as required, I have the 5 necessary pages. I've separated it into a home, a blog, video reflection, and references page, with the group video production and audio video production both being separated into the blog page. So they are separate pages within the tabs, thereby offering that different type of layout that I think suits my blog better. And the introduction to the assignment details the progress we have made over the course of the module. So for the introduction to the assignment, I have a quick introduction as to what we're actually doing in the assignment, which just basically describes the audio production and video production blogging that I'll be doing. And then it goes on to some techniques we've learned over the course of the module. So for techniques we have learned, shot sizes was one of the ones we learned in week 1. We learned to analyze the different types of shots that you can use for our video production. This naturally helped us when producing our actual advert for Nike, since we had to use many different variables of these shots. We mostly relied on a couple of close-ups, but we had some long shots as well as some medium long shots, and making the distinction between these was quite necessary for our video production. So besides just a template showing the pictures, I also have a quick description of it. Then we looked at 4K video production also in week 1, and for this specific case in the module, we had to analyze advantages and disadvantages of it. We ended up utilizing 4K in our actual video production, since all 4K is a high resolution mode that we can use when video recording. We ultimately ended up using it partly for our video production, but due to the circumstances our group found itself, with many of our members being in different countries and not having the same equipment, we ended up filming portions of it in 4K and the other portions of it on iPhones and just what group members had handy. And so that led to a little bit of a split in the resolution in the final video. Then I analyzed the color grading part of it, where we talked about color correction and color graded in class, and how we can edit our videos to have a nicer, more cinematic appeal to them. We ultimately did not use color grading in our video production. We stuck just to natural lighting because a lot of the videos were taken at specific times of day. We ended up organizing all the things based on our call sheet, which I will go into in the second part of this reflection.